God. Oh, I need the net. Oh yeah. Oh. Let me get out of here. Oh man. This is what I'm looking for right here, boys. Boys and girls. Man, there you go. Black and blue flake. That's two right here in this little area right here that I like fishing. Not Wind's not bothering me here. Since it's a little cloudy, I put on a black and blue flake. Look at this. Fat female. I thought it was much bigger, but you know, this is only it's almost a 20-inch bass, so it's probably 3.5, 4 pounds. Really nice fish. Little Kentucky bass. It's a little Kentucky bass. 3 so far on the black and blue, so that's got to be the pattern today. I love Senko fishing. Another nice little bass. It's maybe 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds on the black and blue flake, right by the rocks. This is good fishing right here. Another little Kentucky bass. I should be shooting my own show here on this lake, Lake Lewisville. Love the fishing here. It's number 7 or 8. Look how beautiful this fish is. It's real dark. It's a largemouth. He's got nice stripes here. As soon as I threw it in, he hit it. It's number 7 or 8. It's pretty windy today. About 15-mile-an-hour winds. The pattern is black and blue flake. Having a really good time today. Well, done for the day. Gotta head back, so I can take Audrey to horse lessons, but conditions today were windy, about 15 miles per hour, cloudy, 71 degrees. Water temps were 73 degrees, still really good water temps. Caught one early on a fluke, didn't catch any on topwater crankbaits. As soon as I switched over to the black and blue flake wave worm, boom, caught 3 in a row, stuck with that pattern for the rest of the morning, ended up catching about 8 or 9. Biggest coming about 3.5, 4 pounds. Had a good time this morning for the small amount of time that I fished. This fall seems like it's going to be really good here at Lewisville. Signing off.